Listen up real quick. Another important section you need to understand when it comes to your credit is 15 USC 1681c. And this is the section that tells you what negative information must be removed after a certain amount of time. Because a lot of people think negative accounts stay on your credit forever, and that's not true. So the law actually puts limits on how long most negative information can report it. So let me break this down for y'all real simple. So most negative items like late payments, collections, charge-offs, and even repossessions usually cannot be reported longer than 7 years. And that 7 years does not just start whenever they feel like it. It starts from what is called the date of first delinquency, meaning the first time the account went late and was never brought current again. So if that date is wrong, they can illegally keep some on your report longer than they're supposed to. Now, bankruptcies can be reported a little longer, typically up to 10 years, but everything else has a time limit. And that's where you can really use this law to your advantage. So when you pull your credit report and y'all want to look at the dates very closely, especially the date of the first delinquency, because if something is still being reported past that 7 year period or the dates look a little off, that's a violation under 1681c. And now you can dispute it and you can say something like this. The account exceeds the reporting time allowed under 15 USC 1681c, and it must be removed. And here is one other thing people miss. If they're reporting the wrong date to keep it on your report longer, that's also a problem because they're not allowed to re-age debt just to extend reporting time. So once you understand this section, you realize something very powerful. Negative information does not stay forever, and it has an expiration date. Another thing is if it's still there past the date or being reported incorrectly, you have every right to challenge it and have it removed. And once you start checking your reports like this, you're not just looking at your credit, you're auditing it using the law. As always, I got y'all. Stay safe, be blessed. Peace.
Dropping juke and salt and we apply the pressure. For the people, we move smart, we move better. Know your rights, yeah, we teach it, we enforce. If it is unlawful, it gotta get tossed.